Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a DualSense Edge controller. First, ensure your controller is fully charged. A low battery can cause unexpected issues. Next, try a simple reset by pressing the small button on the back with a pin for 5 seconds. After resetting, reconnect the controller to your PlayStation 5 or PC to see if the problem persists. These initial steps often resolve minor glitches quickly and efficiently. Stick drift is a common issue, but the DualSense Edge offers a great solution. Begin by calibrating your analog sticks within the PlayStation 5 accessory settings. If calibration doesn't work, you can replace the stick module. Simply use the small tool provided with your controller to unlock and remove the old module, then insert a new one. This modular design makes repairs straightforward. If you're experiencing issues with buttons or triggers, there are a few things to try. For sticky buttons, use compressed air to clear any debris around the edges. You can also adjust the trigger stop settings on the back of the controller to fine-tune their sensitivity. Always ensure there are no physical obstructions preventing a full button press, as this can cause unresponsive inputs. Finally, always keep your controller's software and firmware up to date. Connect your DualSense Edge to your PlayStation 5, and the system will prompt you for any available controller firmware updates. Regularly updating your console's system software is also crucial, as these updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes for accessories. This helps maintain optimal controller functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.